Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to be doing a Dutch pour on a nice large 24-inch wood circle. So I have my circle here. This is wood, so what I did beforehand was just put a couple of coats of primer down. It's all dry. I'm hoping that I won't have anything warp because it's so large. Every once in a while I have the wood do that. So I'm priming it beforehand just to help with that. I also have my favorite hair dryer here, which is a little Revlon travel size hair dryer. The settings, I have people ask every once in a while on if I'm using hot or cold. There's a cold button, but I normally just use it on the low setting, and there's no hot option. So this is losing a little bit of power. I'll probably have to buy a new one at some point. So if my paint doesn't move that well, I will switch it to high. But this is just one that I've used quite a bit. This is actually the second or third one that I've bought, but I just like the way it works. It has the attachment on it, which I normally just use it with the attachment because I like the way that the air blows. And then for my colors today, I'm going to be trying a split color Dutch pour. So half is going to be white, the other half is going to be Prussian Blue, and then I have a couple of other colors to add that I'm going to be blowing out with the hair dryer. So this is my Prussian Blue. Any brand of Prussian Blue is pretty much some of my favorite colors to use. And then I have my white. Each color is mixed with about 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint, and then I just slowly add water until it's the consistency that I want for whatever technique I'm doing. So I don't really measure the water that much, but I go slow with it so that I don't add too much and then have a really thin mixture, or have it too thin. So the other colors that I'm going to be pouring, this is a Greenish Blue. This is Turquoise. And this is a bronze color. It's kind of a little coppery. It's really pretty. All the colors that I'm using today are Amsterdam acrylics. And I'll have all of them linked below. I think you can get all of them off of Amazon if you shop online. I buy most of my paints online now. I don't go into stores, but I like the variety that Amazon and Dick Blick have on their websites. So I'm going to just pour my 2 colors and spread them out a little bit. I'm hoping that I kind of get it about halfway. I'll have to pour the white and the Prussian Blue and kind of look to make sure that hopefully I get it mostly even. Yeah, that looks pretty good. That color is so pretty. It's really nice and dark. Some people use their hair dryer to blow the paint out just to even it out once they have it poured. I just like to use this metal spatula, partly because I don't want to blow the white and the blue into each other yet. So I'll just carefully smooth these out. I have a few air bubbles, but I'm not too worried about those.